Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
A. Real GDP in 2021 equals nominal GDP because 2021 is the base year, meaning prices used for both calculations are GDP for 2022 uses 2022 quantities and 2021 base prices. 12 times $10 plus 60 times 2 plus 25 times 15 equals $615. C. Since real GDP, Y sub 1 is less than potential GDP, Y sub F, middle has a recessionary gap.
Intersection is at Y sub 1 equals 615 and P L sub 1. LRAS is vertical at Y sub F equals 1150, right of the equilibrium.
Great job working through that. Scan the code, you can learn better with Sovi. Watch out for sign errors and always double check each step carefully.